To customize your automated email report, expand the email delivery settings. First, edit the email subject. Let's name it CEO Daily Report. In the recipients list, you'll see all users within the job owner's tenant. To send the report to someone not registered in Sisense, simply type their email address. Next, we'll edit the email body. We'll add the report date using a predefined variable. We'll also include key KPIs from the main dashboard. To select a metric from the dashboard, type double brackets and choose the desired measurement. Finally, we'll add a link to download the report in PDF format. This is in addition to the attachment already included in the email. And that's how you customize your email reports.